Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scroll effect on Wix. So first head over to your Wix editor page. Then next in the left panel, start by adding a strip to your website or web page. And to do that, click on the add elements button. Then next is click on strip. Now here, choose a strip pattern or design and drag it to your page. Then next is click on it. And from here, you should see this animation and effects icon. So click on it. From here, start by choosing an animation. So currently, fade is the only available option. So click on fade. But you can customize this specific animation. Just click on the customize button. So here you can choose that the fade animation will preview on scroll. So when they scroll on this section, it will be faded and you can click on the I button to see a preview. Then next you can also choose animation type if the fade is in or out, meaning if they enter the specific section, the fade will show up, or when they get out of the specific location of animation, the fade animation will show up. And that's how you can add a scroll effect on Wix. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!